Welcome to Mum Core Channel with easy recipes and big flavors. In today's recipe, I'll guide you through making easy chocolate chunk muffins. Here are the ingredients. 1 pack of chocolate chunk muffin mix. A half cup chocolate milk or water. 3 eggs. A half cup melted butter or oil. First, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, place the chocolate chunk muffin mix. Then crack 3 eggs. Whisk them. Add a half cup of melted butter or oil. Mix well. Add a half cup of chocolate milk or water. Stir until the batter is smooth. Grease or butter the muffin pan. Then pour the batter evenly into the muffin cups. Bake for 15 minutes. Once done, let the muffins cool in the pan for at least 5 minutes before removing them. Don't worry if you're new to baking, just follow the steps, and you'll have no trouble making these delicious muffins. Whether you're a Girl Scout or Boy Scout, this bake-off will be fun and easy. Enjoy! If you enjoyed this easy recipe, hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Check out all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.